Hello guys, welcome to this video. This unit, it's called it's a wireless car adapter for Android Auto. So basically, I'm pretty sure you already know what Android Auto is. This is Android Auto. So this is what Android Auto is. But for a lot of the cars, and like this one, this model, it's wired. So wired means that you need to have your phone plugged in to the car for that to work. It's kind of annoying, to be honest, because let's say you want to use your phone, you want to text or whatever, and it's just gotta have the wire, you know, if you still want to keep on listening to your music. The requirements for this: you need to have a phone that supports Android 11, that has Android 11 installed. I just tried doing it with this phone and it didn't work. I went on my phone settings and information, and it actually has Android 10, so big fail. It's a Samsung Galaxy S10. But the phone that I'm recording with is a Samsung 23 Ultra, so it's obviously gonna have the newest Android, right? I'm gonna tell you how to install it. So basically, really easy. This is called a dongle, by the way. It says right there. It's called a dongle, and basically it's just a unit that you plug into your Android Auto plug on your car, and you just leave it there. This is the unit right here. So let me tell you how to plug it in. All right. So you gotta have your phone connected to the car. What you're gonna do, you're gonna unplug, like Android Auto needs to be on your car, wired right now. You're gonna unplug, and you have to plug this in real quick at the same time. Once you do that, if you do it successfully, it's gonna show this thing has like green light and blue lights, right? Right after you do the unplugging this wire and plugging this in the place, you have to do it quick. You go on your phone's Bluetooth, and the blinking light on this, the blinking blue light on this, means that it's ready to link. So you're gonna go on your phone, scan, because my phone wasn't scanning automatically, so sometimes you have to do it manually, and it's gonna show on the devices as Android Auto. That's how it showed on the phone right there. You click on that, it's gonna say do you want to pair, and you say yes. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm pretty sure it's gonna stop my video right now, so if that happens, I'm just letting you know what I just did. So okay, so I just did that. So if you do it right, it's gonna show like this. It's gonna blink, and then right now it's gonna blink blue. When it blinks blue, right away you go to your Bluetooth settings. Might take a while. There we go. Alright, I'm going to my Bluetooth settings, and I don't know what's happening right now. Okay, so it worked. I just got the notification. I don't know if that means anything, but anyway, I just got a notification on the phone saying the Android Auto is connected, and when you look at the screen, it says, it's supposed to say Android Auto right there. So right now it's you guys see right there, the dongle is connected. So see, the dongle is connected, and I got Android Auto right here. So there we go, it's working. Alright, let me test it real quick. pretty responsive. I'm gonna go wash the car over there right now, real quick. And then I'm gonna record when I turn it back on, just to make sure that it's hooked up correctly. Alright, so moment of truth. Alright, so remember that my phone is the one that I have on me right now, so alright, I just got a message like if I want to this thing to see my messages, but whatever. Alright, Android connected, perfect. Here we go. We go menu. Android Auto, and it's connected. As you guys see, it didn't take long to connect. It took maybe like 15 seconds the most. Right before I turned off the car, I actually went on YouTube, and there is a little delay. With any dongle, you're gonna get that delay, to be honest. This one I bought at Best Buy for $89. They do sell it on Amazon too, but I didn't want to wait, so I was on Best Buy getting something for my drone, so I was like, might as well get it. But yeah, pretty happy with the product. Hello guys, so one last thing before I end this video. So very good thing is that I just turned off the car right now, and if you guys see, everything is off. The unit is right here, and it's not blinking or anything. If you see, it's completely dead, and that's a good thing. That means it's not connected. And then as soon as I turn off the car too, like my music stopped playing, and then I play it on the phone, and it starts playing on the phone, it's still not thinking that this is connected. So that's a good thing, because a lot of times some dongles, they still stay connected and they keep sucking your electric, your battery, and that's a bad problem. Sometimes it also is not the dongle. Sometimes it could be the car itself. A lot of cars, you know, they might not cut off the power, because that's the key, cutting off the power. But this one seems like it's completely off. It cuts off the power, so that's a really good thing about it, because I know that it's not gonna be draining my battery overnight. So yeah.